Let's learn Southern Gospel. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Southern Gospel. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and step forward with your right. We're now going to do a vine quarter turn, so you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, and kick your left foot into the diagonal. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do an 8th turning mambo step. So you're going to make that 8th of a turn over your right shoulder as you rock your right foot forward into the 130 diagonal. Recover back onto your left and then step back with your right. We're going to step back with our left. You're going to make an 8th of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to make an 8th of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot into the 430 diagonal. We're now going to mambo forward with our right, rocking forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. We're going to step our left foot back. You're going to make an 8th of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We're facing 12 o'clock with our left crossed over. You're going to do your 8th turning mambo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to do a 3/4 hinge. So we're stepping that right foot. You're going to turn over your left shoulder on your right foot to face 9 o'clock and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do a right locking shuffle forward, stepping that right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right and step forward with your right. We're now going to step forward with our left. We're going to swivel both heels to the left and back center, putting your weight onto your right foot, and you're going to hit your left knee up. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have crossed over. You're stepping to the right and doing that 3/4 hinge over your left shoulder. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to rock forward onto our right foot, recover back onto our left, and we're going to do 3 toe struts back. So you take your right toe, touch it back, drop your right heel, left toe back, drop your left heel, right toe back, drop your right heel. We're now going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to do side touches with claps. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. We're going to step our left foot to the left side, touch our right next to our left, and clap our hands. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts, doing your quick rock forward, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and then you're ready to start all over again with your side together forward. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts, weights on your left. You're starting with your side together forward, vine quarter turn, half pivot, quarter kick behind, side cross, 8th mambo step, back 8/8 forward, mambo step, back 8th cross, 3/4 hinge with a step, locking shuffle forward, step, swivel, hitch, coaster, step, rock, recover back, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, coaster, cross, side touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your side together forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's gonna happen on wall 3. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. We're going to dance the first 8 counts of the dance, which is all the way up to your behind side cross. And then you're going to restart with your side together forward. So let's dance those first 8 counts. Weights on your left. You're starting with your side together forward. Side together forward. Vine quarter turn. Half pivot quarter kick behind side cross. Right here, you're going to restart the dance doing your side together forward and your vine quarter turn. That's going to become wall 4, and then you're going to dance all the way through until the end of the song when you're going to do your ending to face 12 o'clock. When we are finishing the dance, you're going to be facing 3 o'clock and you're going to be on section 3, which is your 3/4 hinge, your locking shuffle forward, your swivel with a hitch, and your coaster step. Now, to end it facing 12 o'clock, you're going to do your step, swivel, hitch, and instead of doing your coaster to stay at 3 o'clock, we're going to make our coaster do a quarter turn over your left shoulder. So you're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left. And that is how you will end the dance. I sometimes step to the side, but you're ending here facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance, which includes our restart wall and the wall that follows it. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your side together forward. Side together forward, vine quarter turn, step, half quarter kick, behind side cross, 8th mambo step, back A side 8 forward, mambo step, back A side cross, 3/4 hinge with a step, locking shuffle, step, swivel, hitch, coaster, step, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe strut, back toe strut, coaster, cross, side touch, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 counts, and then restart. Side together forward, vine quarter turn, step, half quarter kick, behind side cross, restart, side together forward, vine quarter turn, step, half quarter kick, behind side cross, 8th mambo step, back A side 8 forward, mambo step, back A side cross, 3/4 hinge with a step, locking shuffle, step, swivel, hitch, coaster, step, rock, recover, back toe strut, back toe strut, back toe strut, coaster, cross, side touch, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and that's the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Southern Gospel. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
God know who I is ain't